10 free mining apps that pay real money, along with important considerations. Number 1. CryptoTip Browser mines Bitcoin while you browse. Earnings are generally low. Number 2. Stormgun offers cloud mining with a referral program. Requires a minimum deposit to start mining. 3. Ecos cloud mining platform with a focus on transparency. Requires a minimum investment.
For such informative videos about tech and soft tips, subscribe my YouTube channel Itfo.
4. Hashini offers low-cost Bitcoin cloud mining. Requires a minimum investment. 5. Mashash cloud mining app with a user-friendly interface. Requires a minimum investment. 6. Minigate mobile miner allows mining of various cryptocurrencies. Earnings may be low. 7. Pi Network mobile mining app with a large community. Cryptocurrency Pi is not yet tradable. 8. B Network similar to Pi Network with a focus on mobile mining. Cryptocurrency B is not yet tradable. 9. Rollecoin play to earn mining game. Requires completing tasks and leveling up to mine. Last one is Satoshi app earn rewards by completing tasks and offers. Rewards are typically small.